In the backup process, one can make a copy of the whole course or part of the course so that the data can be safely stored in a local hard disk. First, from the main page, scroll down until you see Administration block on the right side. Select Backup and click it. In this page, you may select options that you want to backup and tick the box. Click Next and it will go to the schema settings. Here, you can select or deselect specific item to include in the backup. Click Next and it will show you the review of your backup options that you have chosen. If you are satisfied with it, click Perform Backup button to proceed. Wait for the backup files loading and click Continue. You can see at here the backup file that can be downloaded and restored. Thank you.